What's up TNS family, welcome back to our channel. It's your fake girl Sera.
It's your boy Tuxx.
And fam, so today it's a sad day. Praise God that we were able to even make it to this trip, and I'm so glad that my husband got to see his nana yesterday. We didn't film it as we wanted to keep it really intimate, you know, with his family. I'm just so grateful that he was able to see his nana before the one last time, because they're not opening the coffin again.
So today guys is Nana's funeral day, and we got quite a bit lined up as usual. Got a church service and then come back to the homestead, and they've prepared a nice little place to put Nana. Yeah, I think we got stitched up this morning because Papa said, yeah, alright, I'll see you early, eh? Come 8 o'clock. It's a little bit over 8, and Papa's doing a bit of work in the land, so we're gonna go see what he's up to. But before we go and do that, I'm gonna go say hi to Nana, say good morning. Yeah, family, so excuse if we look a bit tired or whatnot. Our traveling was
All
crazy,
over the place.
but yeah, we've explained it quite a bit. We're trying to build up a bit of energy, bit of strength. Lord, give us the strength to get through this day.
Please guys, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below. Rest in peace to Nana. We're gonna go and see what everyone's doing. It seems that everyone's still doing their fi'aus. We're the only ones that came ready. But we love you guys so much, and enjoy the vlog.
This is where Nana's. This is their little house that they built up thanks to Uncle Ma, Uncle Terry, Papa, all the other family. You see the boy there? He's getting it ready. That's a good pose, bro. Look like an Archie warrior standing there, bro. Yeah, yeah. Tukia! This Nana. Poor Nana. And just pop up. But yeah, guys, I gotta go get stuck in. So, yeah, catch you in a bit.
celebrated everyone in Simpson, including Mama Rouru herself. Welcome, each and every one of us. She's here for the last time in their church. Rouru, Rouru, Rouru. 要奖励我们做也很可以，我做好做出来。
Yeah. mixture of aunties and everyone just wanted to pitch in. So it was a mixture of bring a plate and some stuff that was prepared.
Oh, nice.
And so the porker or the pig that was being served was from here.
Oh, yes,
Yeah.
Papa Ben's
That's the one,
pig.
but it was the naughty ones.
Oh, sad. Was it 3?
Yes, yeah, 3, yeah.
Okay, 3. Okay, we're gonna go record the food.
So what's going on here, boys? What's going on here?
Just freezing the pork.
Oh, yeah.
Just put it in there, little storage bag so we can eat as required.
Some survival tactics here.
That's the real survival tactics is when you actually have to suck out the fluid out of the eyeball.
Oh,
Still fluid.
Mona was like, haha, yum.
Cool.
Taro here. Hey, do we have 2 different taros here, or it's just like?
Yeah, 2.
Because that one's different, that one, isn't it? Oh. One's a bit yellow, one's a bit whitey. Alright, so we're just gonna go down and burn some of the rubbish from the chickens that we cut up, so the chicken cartons. So yeah, thought I'd bring you guys for a little walk and show you guys what Papa's been up to for the last few years. So he's made these nice little, what do you call them? Nice little apartments for the pigs. Quite a few of them have gone, obviously because of Nana's passing. So they came and killed quite a few of them. Got this massive one here. Bro, relax. Oh my, look at this massive one here. Bro, these things are massive, eh? Come, bro. Got a few over here too. Bro, man, you know what? Usually the pigs stink hard out, but these ones aren't too bad, eh? These ones aren't too bad. So my brother and I was telling me that Papa comes and gives them little baths, rubs them down. Hey, see, these ones are, the young ones are sweet. The older ones, they just think they're mad. True. Alright family, so last time I done this, caked it, I've absolutely butchered it. So under the guidance of my uncle here, Mona, gonna do him proud. Bro, just go boom, 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 me.
A few inches later.
On the line. Oh, not the sharp side, eh? Oh, not bad, Kazi, not bad, Kazi. See, I told you. I don't know if he's proud, but but yeah, fam, I think we're gonna close it off there. Thanks for coming in, family. Showing love from us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.